In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks in Freshsales. Whether you're new to Freshsales or just looking to enhance your workflow, this guide will walk you through the essential steps for effective task management. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Freshsales. It's important to ensure you have the right platform, as it will be your main interface for managing tasks. Once you're on the Freshsales website, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to create one to gain access to all of Freshsales' features. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is your command center where you can oversee all your activities. From here, head over to the Activities dashboard. This section of Freshsales is designed to give you a comprehensive view of all the tasks and activities associated with your projects. It's important to regularly visit this area to stay on top of your task management. Next, you'll notice a drop-down menu beside the Show button on your screen. Here, you can select the types of activities you want to focus on. Be sure to choose Tasks before clicking Apply. This step ensures that you're viewing the correct data, specifically focusing on the tasks you need to manage. Once you have your list of tasks in front of you, you can click on any task to expand its details. This expansion will give you more context about the task, including who it's assigned to and its due date. Need to make changes? Simply click the edit icon to modify the task's details. You can change the due date, reassign the task to a different owner, or update any other crucial information. After completing a task, marking it as done is just as crucial as executing it. Check the checkbox next to a task to mark it as completed. This visual cue helps you track your progress and understand what's left on your list. For better task organization, consider assigning tags to each task. Tags are a powerful tool for filtering and managing your tasks, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. For instance, you could use tags to indicate priority levels, project names, or any other categorization relevant to your work. And that's it. You now have the foundational knowledge to manage tasks efficiently within Freshsales. By keeping a regular eye on your activities dashboard and taking advantage of tagging and editing features, you'll be well on your way to maintaining an organized and productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.